We have a pre-programmable feature on this oven, which means we can set the oven to turn off at a specific time set and run for a particular duration. So the oven goes off, starts and finishes automatically. In this case, we're going to set the oven to finish at 6:30 p.m. So we'll hit the timer and we'll adjust the time to 6:30 p.m. to reach the minutes. So at 6:30 p.m. this oven will finish cooking. We then adjust the setting in which we want to come on automatically. In this case, we'll use fan forced, but we want to override that temperature to 200 degrees. And then we lock that in. Now we set the duration. How long do we want the oven to run for? We go with the left knob now and we adjust the duration. How long does the oven run for? In this case, we'll say the recipe requires 45 minutes and we press play. You'll see the timer in the bottom right-hand corner, which means that this oven is now set to come on 45 minutes before 6:30 p.m., which was our desired finish time. Pre-programming the oven.